Okay. All right. So the question is, how do we set up a DCA and also have a stop loss? So if we come into community strategies on the left side and we scroll down until we find, we have both a dynamic DCA example and a generic DCA example. The easiest way to set this up is with the generic, and I'll show you that. And then we can talk about how we might modify that. So we click copy and we hit yes to copy it. This will copy it and take us over to the My Strategy screen. When we set up a DCA with the generic DCA example, it'll already have a few strategy or a few lines set up for us. So all we need to do is add our last line. So if we hit edit and we go over to stop loss over here, we can see it says configure TPSL. Okay, so we're in our generic DCA example and we're going to hit configure TPSL, and here's my DCA lines. I got it set at 2, 4, and 6 right now. Okay, now I can edit it if I want to go through the steps, or I can hit quick edit and I can, this is a little complicated, right? So that's why I got the step edit if you want to go through the wizard again. But this is a quick way to edit everything and see everything on one page. So here's your 3 lines, and these are all, as you can see, going to add. They're all going to add. So we want to add one more, and it's going to exit. It's going to take an exit. So we'll hit add lines. What kind of line do I want to make? I want to make a stop loss. How many lines do I want to make? I want to make one more. I don't need to say 4. I already have 3. That's fine. I want to make 1 right now. Okay. So next, where do I want to place my line? I already have it at 2, 4, and 6. So let's just pretend I want to do 8. Right now, you might have a dynamic. You might be sending this last line in from, some TradingView alert, right? And you can sit dynamic and you can select your alert in here. Okay, and you can do that. So I'm going to say 8%. Next. Now, how do I want to, when the line is hit, what do I want to do? Instead of adding position, I want to take profit. It'd be the same thing as close. And actually, I have a Jira task in there to change the way that that's worded so that it doesn't sound weird. I'm going to say close and stuff like that. But anyway, so we have, sorry, say that again.
Sorry to disturb you. I said 100% of position we can put on.
Yes, absolutely. 100% of position, that's going to close it. And then how do we want to place the order? I usually do market when it's a stop like that, just so that I know that it closes. You can do limit if you want. So this would be our stop line, hit finish. And now if I go to my simple view, I have a stop line and I have a DCA 1, 2, and 3. And at the stop loss of 8, this is going to decrease the position by 100%. And that covers how to add a stop line to a DCA. If you have any more questions, feel free to join us on Discord in the description below, or press the help button at the bottom of any page and submit a support ticket. Appreciate you watching, subscribe for more content, and see you next time.